Hello, my name is Joanna.
Stan.
Rebecca McKnight.
Chelsea.
And my name is Johnny.
Sam.
My name is Naveen. My name is Lizzie.
University of Surrey.
Winchester.
This one's University.
Cambridge.
Bournemouth University.
King's College London.
Sussex.
Exeter University.
The first thing I think is really useful is actually knowing that you want to do the degree.
I had an idea that I wanted to do law at a degree. I'd heard that you didn't necessarily need to take it at A-level, but I wanted to know if it was what I wanted to do, if I enjoyed it, if found it interesting.
Something that students really need to feel confident on is what they're going to be choosing at their degree level, because at the end of the day you're going to be paying £9,000 a year, which is a lot of money.
By the time I started my law degree, I had already had introduced to me all of the kind of basic principles, things like statutory interpretation, which non-law A-level law students they'd never heard of before.
There's a lot of things that you do touch on with your degree that you did study at A-level, and you just feel confident knowing that there's some things that you've already touched upon, such as cases, particular theories,
Statutory interpretation and magistrates, and you will do all that in your law A-level, so I found having the background really, really helpful.
When you have studied A-level law, it's very advantageous and it puts you above other people that haven't, and it gives you that kind of passion because you know that it's the subject that you definitely want to be studying.
Key issues and topics and problem questions and all things like that, they go so far into those in your actual A-level, and it really prepares you for the intensity of the law degree.
It was really helpful to have that knowledge before anyone else did.
I felt like I had a grounding before I'd even started and I was ahead of other students.
It was essentially setting a basis for reading a law degree.
You have to be very specific about how you write and how to frame an argument and then counter it, but not too much that you're undermining your argument. And that's a skill that I think we picked up at college.
You already know, you don't have to spend so much time looking them up and getting understanding, and it gives you an advantage in smaller classes like seminars as well.
The amount that you have to read and research is huge. It's not an easy subject, but it can be very rewarding.
There's far more of a depth to law, and there's far more to learn, there's far more to read, and it's, you know, they go really in depth into a lot of the cases and the key issues and topics.
It's a lot of work, a lot of revision, intensive revision, but I would say it's very rewarding, very interesting, and something that I've wanted to carry on with further.
People genuinely did come to us and take our A-level notes off us and use the basic skills that we already had.
I mean, everyone says that A-level law is something that you don't need, but having been at university studying law, when you have studied A-level law, it's very advantageous and it puts you above other people that haven't.
I definitely recommend it to anyone.
I loved it. I thought it was so helpful. All the teachers have either taken postgraduate like training after a law degree or have practiced in law themselves.
It gave me a sense of confidence in the subject, because once looking at it you were kind of prepared and you weren't starting things from afresh.
I'd say it's a challenge, but it's a good challenge, and that's what you need.
At Farnborough Sixth Form College there is a really, really good law department. They all work very hard for you.
If you get the opportunity, why wouldn't you do it?
Yeah, don't turn it down. Go ahead and do it.